here.
In fact.
Once again, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You called for home service. That is why I am here, Reverend. Yeah, Jack.
Nah, it seems said, Madam. You were home.
Sorry, what did you say?
I said sometimes my condolence.
Your condolence?
Yeah, I mean my condolence.
Okay.
It's Peja, Basa, I'm interested.
It has been rising up.
Yes, raising up, always. I don't know. Yeah, sometimes, you know, me too, I'm Muslim.
You are Muslim?
Yes.
I thought you said you were a reverend.
No, I'm a Muslim.
Muslim? Oh.
Yeah, I'm an imam.
Imam?
Yes, imam.
Okay.
I used to teach at the mosque.
Oh, okay.
But right now, see what is happening to me. It will rise up when the
Anyway,
case...
don't worry, you don't have to talk too
madam,
much.
can you close?
Sorry?
Can you close the door?
Oh, don't worry, I'm here for home service. You are what?
Imam.
Imam.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Imam, listen to me. Who need problem? That is why I'm here to service you. Yeah? Let's solve your problems in our mouth. So just relax for me, Imam. Yeah.
Sometimes when I started reciting Kalatu, then it rise.
It's rise.
Then I force myself. I can't hold the Quran while this thing is rise up. So
Imam, is that so?
yes, but
Imam, you don't have a problem. I'll see to it that everything will be okay.
okay.
Yeah. So the Abayana said you are going to lie down a bit for me. You said it has been
rising.
Sorry, not for how minutes?
And you miss solid national 1 hour. Sa 1 hour.
1 hour break.
I'm suffering.
You are really suffering.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is to solve your problem for you, Imam. So right now, you lie down for me. Imam.
Lie down.
Yes, lie down and cool down your talk.
Me. Me will.
Yes. Right. Me show problem. Imam. Yeah. You are fine.
Mate.
You don't have a problem.
You.
Yeah? We're going to solve the problem. Please, are you there? Please lie down. Yeah, so
go this way or that way?
just lie over there.
I'll go this way.
Thank you. You are a cool person.
Please, can you stand here?
But is there something you have been doing that normally rises up?
I don't know.
A man a question.
No one more booking now rising.
I won't yet share and one and a pet.
There be a dependent solid. Stay chilling. Nature. I'm coming to know.
Fine.
I was normal.
It's no, the Ben is a baby show.
I want to be okay.
Want to be okay?
Yes.
So that's the only problem you have right now?
Yes, I have problem.
Okay, so Imam, sorry but I have to solve your problem.
Solve my problem for me. Somehow.
So lie down well.
From this program.
Don't worry, Imam. Imam is done now. So I'm ready to fix your problem for you. Imam, so please give me one of this leg. Put it here and open it widely.
I should open it?
Yes, try and open your leg.
You are going to look at me.
No, I'm not looking at you. What's say? Who any chinaho? What's about an say?
The Ecclesiastes.
The Ecclesiastes, Ayana is original.
Yes.
It's not maybe wow. May ya dear every man I had.
Martin.
I'm an upper.
Martin.
Okay, so
help
just
me.
Money help you. Right.
Hey,
Imam!
Hey!
Lord of Jesus. Imam. Imam, this is unbelievable. Imam, relax. Sorry.
What is your problem?
Sorry, Imam.
Why you shocked now?
Imam, relax. Sorry. I'm very sorry for my manners. Oh, Imam. Oh, Imam.
Why?
No, it's fine.
Are you solving it or you are teasing me?
Jesus Christ, Imam. You said it has been standing for how long?
For 1 hour, 3 hours. Sometimes I go for the whole day.
Imam, you have nyama. Yeah. Ukra nyama Imam.
No correct.
Kai.
Anya wa mukeka.
Sigina. Imam.
Oyo.
Ene izo.
Anya no.
Say they me show on die.
Auntie.
Hey.
Me na mo to me madam.
Imam. I was said me. Let me say susu na me dede no.
We say.
Na me hwe how e be we so Imam relax.
I'm Imam.
Imam. Hey God. Oh, Mom. Imam. Oh, you're a nice person.
You touched it.
No, I didn't touch it.
You touched it.
So.
You touched it.
So touch. What's so?
So.
Imam, so I have to enter see how well I can solve your illness. Hey, everybody. Hey,
what's wrong?
Yay, Imam,
no correct.
What's wrong?
I didn't know so.
I say, Imam, what's the idea? We I was saying, so na me there and I ever phone.
Nentina was so.
Masum. There you there.
Me here no was so.
But you may do my Imam. Imam. There you. Okay. Imam, you'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. You know what? Please get down. Yes, sorry. Just stand up and come to this side. So, Imam, this is what I will do to help you. The man say, may Babu continue, may you say, okay. Now, Imam, me and not just say also.
Now, my virgin.
Now, what they pay me, Ecclesiastes, they pay me a baffle. No, my solve the problem. It's here.
Ecclesiastes is in the canopy.
Now, I will. Yanko. A pen more sir. What the Kayana? A pepperful. Yeah. Yeah, Imam, why are dear?
Oh, you.
A walk.
Oh, you. Oh, you.
Ever from. Ever from.
No. Oh, you.
Okay, Imam. Why are dear? Oh. That's good. Imam, how did you see it?
Hey, you are very nice, you.
I'm a nice person. So, Imam, you can wear your nikah.
Why are you not a Muslim?
Oh, I will soon be a Muslim.
Come and be a Maria.
Okay, no problem, Imam. I hear you. So I have to get going, Imam. So we'll meet again. Yeah, if there's another problem,
but it's down.
You can call. It's down
now.
Yes. So
you are perfect, nice.
Thank you.
Yeah, you are very perfect.
So see you. I'm off.
So you are going?
Yeah, I'm going. See you later. Bye.
But please, madam, it want to rise again.
Again?
Yes.
Imam, for the food.